Here we go, fourth graders, our learning target. I can use text features to understand what I read. So remember that text features are headings, captions, special kinds of types such as boldface words that help us understand what we read. And then there's graphic features, which are diagrams, charts, and maps. So you can see here that if we go back a page, some text features you have a heading here. That's just the cover. Here you've got a diagram, you've got a caption, you've got a picture. So we've got a couple of those features here. What we're going to look at right now is this diagram that shows the birth of a hurricane. So what I'm looking at is it shows how a hurricane forms. So it has arrows that stand for the warm air that's rising in spiral. And then parts of the diagram are labeled with clouds, warm air, rain, and so on. And it shows that the warm ocean surface that causes the air to rise, clouds form, and the warm air condenses, and rain that falls from these clouds. So this really shows quite a bit of information. So now what I'm going to do is show how to fill in a graphic organizer for this. Oops, I am losing my place here. So I'm going to write what the text feature or graphic feature was. So what I can call this is a diagram. Then I need to look at the page number. So the page number is 323. And then the information that it tells me is details from the main text that show a hurricane forms. What I want you to do is on your own, I want you to find one other text feature, write the page number and then the information that it tells you, and bring that to group. So that's our learning target, which is I can use text features to help understand what I read. So this diagram really helped me to understand how a hurricane forms and what happens when a hurricane forms. Being able to see that really helped me out.